my YouTube channel. For today, I am very excited to make a makeup tutorial again. I think I'm into makeup tutorials na ulit ngayon. I found a cushion. A very, very good cushion. So, excited akong magbigay ng review sa inyo guys today. Before that, I'm going to 2 events today. Kaya kailangan ko ng long-lasting makeup, okay? So, nag-prep na ako ng face ko, nag-moisturize na ako, and I put a primer just to make sure na hindi mahulas yung makeup ko throughout the day. Ito na nga yung cushion. This is the Bare and Bliss True Beauty Inside Cushion SPF 45 PA+++. So, when I saw on TikTok na ang daming nagre-rave dito, tinignan ko mga reviews nila, even yung mga e-commerce listing nila, at ang daming positive reviews. So, I got it! So, this is 899 pesos. For me, the price is okay lang for a cushion foundation, and this is good, okay? This is good. So, this is what the packaging looks like. We have the puff, and ayan siya. Gusto ko yung pagka-clear nitong pinaka-case nila. Sobrang ganda niya lang for me. So, I have here the shade 03 Beige Summer Nectar. And I feel like this is a tad bit darker than my skin tone. You can see later kapag nilagay ko na siya sa face ko. And I think yung shade ko talaga ay yung number 2. Kaso, out of stock yung number 2. So, hindi ko siya ma-order. I will zoom you guys in just so you can see ko ang gaano kaganda tong cushion na to. Okay, this is my face. So, it says there's a listing nila that this is a full coverage foundation. In my opinion, it has medium to full coverage with 1 layer. If you want that full coverage, pwede mong i-layer up yung foundation sa face mo. I've been using this siguro pang 5 beses na. And I can't wait actually na mag-film and share this with you guys. Again, parang darker siya on my skin tone, but it looks like skin. 1 layer pa lang yan nung foundation. So, lalagay natin siya dito sa kabila. So, in action nyo talaga to nakikita. So, again, I've been using this for the past week. So, I can give you my full review. This is very, very lightweight. Like, kahit summer, kahit mainit. I mean, di ba, kapag mainit, pinagpapawisan tayo. Tapos kapag may makeup tayo, naiirita tayo. Kasi parang nalulusaw yung makeup natin. Hindi siya nangyayari dito. It is very, very lightweight. Parang wala kang suot. And kahit pinagpapawisan ka, hindi mo siya mafe-feel. And the fact that it's lightweight, kahit nang ganito yung coverage niya, it means a lot to me as someone na oily skin and pawisin. So, I'm done with the first layer, and this is how it's looking on my skin. Meron akong mga spots dito sa cheeks area, so lalagyan natin siya ng isa pang layer. Yan, di ba? Nawawala na yung spots ko. Sobrang flawless niya, guys! Actually, because of this, nag-i-interested na akong kunan yung iba pa nilang base makeup. Like, meron silang powder na nire-rave din sa TikTok. So, I'm looking on getting that. Dalawa lang kasi yung products na nakuha ko this time. We have the cushion and we have the matte tint. Ito yung Transferproof. Transferproof to, mamaya makikita nyo. So, this is the skin. Yes, we love it. We love it. Sobrang natural niya talaga. Like, so, I did the rest of my makeup and I just want to show you guys before I set this with powder kung anong itsura niya. Hindi siya nag-move kahit naglagay ako ng blush at saka ng bronzer. It still looks good. So, now magsiset ako ng powder. So, even after setting my face with a powder, you can still see the sheen. So, kahit hindi na kayo mag-illuminator, mag-highlighter, hindi ako gumamit nun today. So, this is the Bare and Bliss Korean Bloomatte Full Bloom Transferproof Matte Long-Lasting Tint. And this is their top 3 best-selling product. That's why I got it for myself. So, I have 2 shades right here. I'm gonna swatch them for you. This is in the shade 06 and this is in the shade 03, and as you can notice, medyo different yung shade niya compared dito sa packaging, so don't get confused. For this look, I'm gonna be using the 03. So we have a doe foot applicator and I'm gonna apply this on my lips. Yung formula meron siyang scent, but this is lightweight. Yan, madaling maglagay dito sa edges, so I don't need to use lip liner anymore. We have to wait na mag-dry siya para maging transfer-proof siya kasi as of now, meron pa rin. Now na dry na siya, try na natin kung transfer-proof ba siya talaga. So, this is the back of my hand. We have this kiss mark here kasi ayan yung tinry natin kanina, diba? Pinakita ko sa inyo. Try natin siya dito sa part na to. Wale! This is also very lightweight at hindi siya drying sa lips. And if you know me, hindi ako mahilig sa mga matte formulas kasi ayun nga nire-reklamo ko sa matte. Medyo mabigat, drying, nagcha-chap yung lips ko, but this is different. So this is our final look for today. Right now, it's 12:42 p.m. And I'll check back on you guys later. Bigyan ko kayo ng update kung ano itsura niya after a few hours. Still, we are here. Look at my face! So you can still see the matte tint. Meron pa rin siya, pero let's add. Sobrang ganda nitong color na to. So it's the day after and I have to do my makeup again kasi kailangan ko mag-film dito sa bahay. So again, I'm using the Bare & Bliss True Beauty Inside cushion. Today that I'm using this is the 6th time na gagamitin ko to. And just to give you guys my final thoughts about this cushion is worthy of your 899 pesos. Kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng coverage niya for me. So I'm gonna put some photos dyan. Makikita nyo na wala siyang white cast kahit meron siyang SPF 45 PA+++. So kagabing nagparty ako kahit may flash yung mga phones na nagpicture-picture kami. Walang white cast sis. Hindi ako napahiya. And for the Transferproof matte tints, I'm definitely going to buy the other shades kasi nagustuhan ko yung performance niya sa lips ko. It's non-drying, very lightweight, very long-lasting. Kahit na kumain ako ng lunch before ako umalis dito sa bahay, hindi ko na kinailangan mag-retouch. And hindi rin talaga clump sa lips kahit na 3 retouch na. It's still very lightweight at ang ganda niya tingnan sa lips. Parang hindi na-accentuate yung lines ng lips ko. So that is everything that I have to say about Bare & Bliss. I am definitely going to purchase their other products kasi sobrang natuwa ako sa performance nitong mga products na to. I will leave all the links down below, so just check them out. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!